to get on a boat to see some dolphins. There's dolphins here.
Spotted a dolphin on our right for something to eat. Yep, on this lower branch here you've got the chicks.
Made our way back to Venice. Yeah, we're addicted to these out here, aren't we?
Send Chris closer and see if he gets his head nipped off.
We're in Mandurah. We're about to get on a boat again to see some dolphins. Apparently they guarantee dolphins. If they don't see any, then apparently we get some money back, or we get to go on it again. So we're going on the boat and we'll see you on the boat. Oh, warm seats. Yeah, that seat's really warm.
Welcome on board Mandurah for our dolphin cruise and views. The next hour and 15 are going to be spent cruising through Mandurah shallow waters. We do have 90 to 100 dolphins within this system. We can find them at absolutely any point, so do keep an eye out. Do keep in mind though, these animals are completely wild. We don't train them, tag them, track them or feed them, so any encounter we may have is solely up to the dolphins themselves.
This is where I'm going to drop the camera out of the water.
Do you have a history of throwing cameras when bugs land on you?
Yeah, I did once. In Norway.
Twice?
Twice?
Twice.
There's dolphins here. Just in here. There you are. There you are.
Oh yeah.
Spotted a dolphin on our right. Oh, it's Goose. So just off the rock walls, especially when they head into the more shallow areas. Now, it does look like at this point there might be just the one. We'll have to keep an eye out. Hopefully there's others in the area as well.
It's got a damage
For something to eat. Now there's two. Now these little black and white birds that are following the dolphins around, they're actually cormorants or shags. They're actually the little pied cormorants. They're very opportunistic birds. They'll often follow the dolphins around when they know they are fishing, hoping that they can swoop in and try to steal an easy free meal. Track the muscles on their back, allowing that blowhole on their head to open up. Sometimes there might be a bit of a whoosh or a puff, that is them exhaling. They will then inhale, relax their muscles, the blowhole will seal over and they'll be set to dive back under the water.
We've stopped here because I think there's dolphins around, but we can't see them.
Questions asked most commonly when we do move through this area is about pricing of the houses. The house on our right side at the moment, about 5 years ago, did go for 5.4 million. Now on our right side here, we've actually got some trees with nests in them, so do keep an eye out. This second tree approaching, and might actually be able to also spot some of the young birds. Yep, on this lower branch here you've got the chicks. So they're quite light and fluffy in appearance in comparison to the mum. Still quite a bit larger than you'd expect for chicks. One of the trees at the end has also got 2 nests in them, but we haven't seen those chicks yet. It happens during the mating season.
There it is.
Just cruising past that green marker again. You can just see it below the surface.
You see him there?
It definitely looks like there might be a little bit of fishing action. It's definitely going backwards and forwards, cruising slowly. Sometimes it'll speed up a little bit. Okay guys, so we are going to have to return to our jetty now.
What are you doing?
I'm doing things because we just got off the boat, so I wanted to say
What are you doing?
that we've just been on the boat, and hopefully you've just seen some pictures of all the stuff we saw on the boat, including the dolphins.
We saw about 4 dolphins.
4 dolphins. We saw some snake-necked birds and then itty bitty chicks. We saw quite a few things actually, and just nice.
We're going to have a little wander around the marina now and have a look and see if we can find anything else.
Like a lunch.
Made our way back to Venice. Check it out.
We have a video of Venice, just in case you're wondering.
We do, don't we?
Let me put a link somewhere. Ding! There we go. So we're having lunch. Are we not? I'm having burrata, I'm just having crepes. This is just French. This is where we are.
Yeah, we're addicted to these out here, aren't we?
Yeah, this might be our new favourite thing.
5-6 times now.
Mango smoothies. I was going to wait until mine came out, but can't wait until Chris has eaten stuff. Lovely cream. This is mine. Veggie bruschetta.
This little cockatoo's having a play. Look, look at them.
I'm going to send Chris closer and see if he gets his head nipped off. I think that was personal.
Museum over there.
Museum for Bangkok. Should we find out?
Normally you don't care, right?
I do care. I don't like to go see museums about everything. I mean, there's a museum about, I don't know, nails. I don't think I'm going to be interested in a museum of nails.
You know, remember the film Yes Man? We went to go see a museum about telephones.
To be honest, I think a museum about telephones might be quite interesting. And it's not a museum about telephones, it's just a museum about Mandurah. Although, and that concludes our day in Mandurah.
It was hot. It was lovely. It's a very nice place.
It's a great little day out. It's not too far from Perth. You can get here on the train as well. I know there's a train that comes down here, or you can drive down like we did. That's pretty quick on the motorway.
It's about an hour.
Yeah, and we just had a really good time just going with what we found.
It's now time to go back.
Bye!